Brace your core and root your feet into the floor. Control the descent and keep your spine stacked. Reach full depth without losing tension. Drive upward by pushing the floor away. Brace your core and root your feet into the floor. Control the descent and keep your spine stacked. Stand tall at the top. Lock your hips and knees and reset your core. Recover your stance before the next rep. Reset your core, ensure your feet are grounded, and prepare to descend for the next rep. Lower yourself with control, keeping tension on the glutes and quads. Avoid letting the knees collapse inward. Pause briefly at the bottom to maintain control. Keep the spine stacked and core tight. Drive upward through your heels. Engage glutes and quads to lift with control. Reach full lockout, reset your core, and prepare for the next repetition. Feel the tension building as you descend. Keep knees aligned and spine stacked despite fatigue. Maintain control at the bottom, resist collapse, and keep the spine neutral. Push through your heels and engage your glutes, maintaining control despite muscle fatigue. Lock out fully, reset your stance, and maintain core stability before the next rep. Reposition your feet, brace your core, and prepare for another controlled descent. Start the next rep smoothly. Control your descent while keeping tension. Start the next rep smoothly. Control your descent while keeping tension.